Perfect offer letter, what to include and why it matters for hiring success. Welcome back to the channel. You've interviewed, you've screened, and you've finally found your perfect candidate. The finish line? The offer letter. But this document is far more than a piece of paper. It's your final chance to impress, secure the talent, and establish a foundation of trust. Today, we are dissecting the perfect offer letter. Let's make sure your candidate doesn't just receive the offer, they enthusiastically accept it. Why the offer letter is critical? Why spend so much time perfecting this document? Because a poor offer letter can derail your hiring process. 1. Legal protection. It serves as a binding document outlining key terms and confirming employment is generally at will. 2. Sets expectations. It clearly defines the role and compensation, preventing misunderstandings later. 3. Candidate experience. A professional, detailed letter reinforces the company's organization and commitment to the new hire. 4. Reduces negotiation drag. Clarity upfront can minimize back and forth negotiations. Let's walk through the essential components of a strong offer letter. The formal congratulatory opening. Start with warmth. Formally congratulate the candidate on their selection for the specific role. Key details: candidate's full name, date of the offer, and your organization's full legal name. Job title and role basics. Be precise here. Ambiguity leads to problems down the road. Job title, the official, accurate title. Reporting structure, state clearly who the employee will report to, manager's name and title. Start date, the mutually agreed upon date they will begin employment. Location, specify the work location, office address, remote, or hybrid arrangement. Compensation and pay structure. This needs to be crystal clear, broken down into its core components. Base salary, the annual or hourly rate. Specify the pay frequency, example, biweekly, monthly. Bonus incentives, if applicable, detail any performance bonuses, signing bonuses, or commission structures. State if these are guaranteed or conditional. Stock equity, if applicable, briefly mention any stock options, grants, or equity package. Refer to a separate document for full details. Benefits and perks summary. This is often the candidate's favorite section, so highlight your perks. Health benefits. State the eligibility date, usually 30 or 60 days. Mention health, dental, and vision insurance. Paid time off. PTO clearly state the annual vacation days, sick days, and paid holidays. Retirement, mention the 401(k) or pension plan and any company matching contributions. Other perks, tuition reimbursement, gym memberships, etc. Refer to the employee handbook for full details. Contingencies and conditions. This section protects the company and ensures compliance. At-will employment. State that the employment relationship is at will, if applicable to your location, meaning either party can terminate the relationship at any time for any legal reason. Background check. Note that the offer is contingent upon satisfactory completion of a background check and/or drug screening. Proof of eligibility. Requirement for I-9 or local documentation. Make acceptance easy. Deadline. Provide a firm date by which the candidate must accept the offer. How to accept? Clearly state the method, example, sign and return the attached PDF by email. Don't let these simple errors ruin your process. 1. Vagueness. Avoid general statements like competitive salary or good benefits. Use specific numbers and dates. 2. Overpromising. Only guarantee what you can deliver. Don't promise specific bonuses or raises that aren't contractual. 3. Sending coldly. Never send the offer letter without a phone call first. A call allows you to verbally sell the opportunity and answer questions immediately. 4. Skipping the at will clause. This is a key legal safeguard that should be included where permissible. 5. Not following up. If the acceptance deadline is approaching, a polite follow-up call is necessary. The offer letter is a moment of celebration. Treat it as the start of a long, positive relationship. By making it clear, comprehensive, and professional, you not only close the candidate but set them up for successful integration into your team. What's the one essential item you always include in your offer letters? Share your best tips in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more HR insights, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.